Customers prefer Automation Anywhere for its ease of use and shortest learning curve. Both business users and developers can create bots easily using the highly intuitive interface. Automation Anywhere excels in automating data entry, data extraction, and data navigation between systems. Let's walk through creating a bot to automate processing of invoices, a manual, rules-based, and repetitive process. A human worker will process an invoice in about an hour with 80% average accuracy. The bot will take less than a minute to process each invoice with 100% accuracy. Let's start by creating a basic bot to automate a web-based invoice application. Automation Anywhere Enterprise includes highly secure recorders to create automations by replicating human actions. For this application, let's activate the web recorder. The web recorder records a user logging into their account, creating a new invoice, and entering data to the invoice. While the user enters data into the application, the recorder converts this activity into a bot. Automation Anywhere recorders capture screen elements at the object level. This is important because if an update to the application changes the position of any of the text boxes, the bot will recognize and recalibrate to the new user interface. The web recorder has commands to extract any data from this application. Click on the data you want to extract and store it as a variable. It can then be used in any other web or desktop applications. You can enhance this bot by using more than 550 drag-and-drop commands available in the bot creator. This next step automates the process of sending a completion email with transaction details to the process owner. Automation Anywhere enables all users to easily automate any application you have access to. Let's now add more functionality to our bot. Let's look at a real-world example. An agent receives the invoice we just automated in a PDF format in an email from a customer. The agent will read the invoice and input the data into the web application for which we just created the bot. Let's automate this part of the process as well. Using easy-to-access commands, you can configure the bot to read emails and download attached invoices in a folder. The next step is to extract data from the PDF and store it into an Excel document. Out-of-the-box commands simplify this task. Automation Anywhere includes advanced integrations with commonly used applications like Excel, Word, and PDF, and makes it simple to automate tasks that involve these applications. Other common input sources are CSVs, databases, and XML files. We make it easy to enter, extract, or navigate data from any application. The data extracted to Excel is used to create invoices in the web application. The bot is now ready. The bot now needs to be deployed to the control room. The control room manages and executes the bot with end-to-end visibility and audit control. Let's quickly look at the process again. The bot reads emails and downloads attachments. It then reads the PDF to extract invoice data. This data is saved into Excel. Based on this data, invoices are created in the invoice application and an email is sent upon completion. Notice that configuring this bot did not require any coding and used out-of-the-box commands to configure common steps in an invoice processing task. Let's deploy Invoice Bot and see it in action. Bots can be scheduled to run based on a predetermined schedule or as part of a prioritized queue. For this demo, we manually run the bot on an available bot runner machine. The bot starts immediately. It reads customer emails and downloads the invoices. These PDF invoices are saved in the selected folder. Data from the invoices are transferred to Excel accurately. The bot then logs into the invoice application, much like a human would, and creates invoices based on the data extracted from the customer email. Notice the first invoice is created. The bot continues to create invoices in a matter of seconds. Once these invoices are created, the bot sends completion details to the process owner to confirm success. We created and deployed a bot in a matter of minutes. Just like this demo, Automation Anywhere's RPA platform helps customers automate over 5,000 different applications with out-of-the-box commands. No coding or scripting skills are required. Built-in recorders easily replicate human actions and create instant automations. Customers get value quickly by downloading plug-and-play bots from the bot store. These bots are contributed by partners, developers, and customers across the globe and verified by experts. Automation Anywhere is the largest digital workforce platform in the world, with a primary focus on customer success, enablement, and support. Learn more about Automation Anywhere today.